My name is Joshua Hughes. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Today I decided to come to lighting bootcamp. I was hoping to expand my knowledge of lighting and grip and get some hands-on work and experience and knowledge on what went into the different departments there. Today I felt like I got everything I was expecting. We got a lot of good knowledge out of it. We went through a warehouse with a lot of lighting and grip equipment. We got to get good hands-on experience, and we got to work with lighting and grip equipment, and overall I felt like it was a good experience. I think the best thing that I got out of the experience was being able to work hands-on with the lighting and grip equipment. We got to set up lights and we got to see how they worked and operated, and we got to work with different stands and equipment, and I think that was probably my best experience. Our instructor, Jay, was great. He was real knowledgeable. He made sure we were well informed, and he had a lot of experience to work with us, and he was great at explaining everything. I would definitely recommend this class to other people. It's a great learning experience, and it's a great way to get into the industry, and I felt like it was really good overall.